Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Mac down and isolating it from power and accessories. Wait about 5 minutes to avoid residual charge. Next, remove the back case screws using the P5 driver and lift the case with a suction cup and spudger. Take photos of screw locations and keep them labeled. Once done, place the machine on an anti-static mat and identify the battery connector. Do not disconnect anything with force. This quick beginning prevents damage and saves time later. With the battery disconnected, remove any securing brackets and speakers that block the keyboard flex cables. You need to soften adhesive under the keyboard edges. Apply controlled heat at roughly 80 to 90 degrees Celsius while moving slowly. Then use a thin card or spudger to separate adhesive. Work evenly around the perimeter. Once the edges release, unplug the keyboard and camera flex connectors from the board. Lift the keyboard assembly straight up and clear of the logic board, making sure set the replacement keyboard assembly into the chassis, aligning tabs and screw holes precisely, then reconnect the flex cables firmly and snap any retaining brackets back into place. Reconnect the battery last, check connectors visually, and refit the back cover using your labeled screws exactly where photographed. Power up and test keys. If keys don't respond, power down, reseat the ribbon cable, inspect for torn traces, and try an SMC or PRAM reset. That troubleshooting step fixes most post-reassembly issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.